Are you interested in carrying out laboratory tests of soil, seed and crop samples and perform quality control for seed caliber and soil standards? Then you should consider a career in agronomy. Hi, I'm Dr. Isha. Welcome to eMango. Come on, let's find out how you can become an agronomist. Agronomy is the science and technology of producing and using plants in agriculture for food, land restoration, fuel and fiber. It is both a humanitarian career and a scientific one. If you want to be an agronomist, then take up science stream with physics, chemistry, biology and maths after class 10th and pursue bachelor's degree in agriculture science, farm management or related stream after class 12th. You might need to sit for entrance exams in India like TS, EAM SET, BHU, UET PET, LPU, NEST. For overseas, you will need to sit for exams like IELTS, TOEFL, SAT, GRE. Entrance exams are highly competitive, so yes, you need to prepare well. Some of the colleges or universities in India offering the course are Indira Gandhi Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Govind Ballabh Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore. Course fee in India for such college is approximately 60,000 to 4 lakh in government university, approximately 4 lakh to 8 lakh in private colleges. Foreign universities like University of California, Berkeley, University of British Columbia, University of Greenwich. Course fee across globe is around in US $30,000 to 80,000. In Canada, it is around 50,000 Canadian dollars to around 1 lakh Canadian dollars. If you are conventional, realistic and investigative and possess skills such as active listening, critical thinking, monitoring and visualization, then we strongly suggest you this career. Salary in India is approximately 1 lakh to 24 lakh depending on the amount of experience you gain. Salaries across globe in US around $73,000 to $92,000, in UK around 28,000 to 37,000 pounds. Did you find the information useful? We can help you with even much more. We at eMango understand that your career will be best fit for you only when it suits your aptitude, personality and interest. After a short assessment, we will create an end-to-end path design of the right career for you, help you in knowing about various entrance exams. We take you from form filling to the place you will apply for college. Make your career with eMango. Let's go.